Okay, this is the lesson for page 92 and 93 for December the 9th, 2020. Um, okay, so for your do now, we're focusing on the word recycle. One item people often recycle is blank. Okay, that will be your do now. Um, should be fairly easy, okay? All right, so the first thing we need to do though, page 92. Okay, we're going to look at some vocabulary. We have severe and we have occur. Okay, so the first one, severe, is an adjective. That means that it describes, right? It describes a noun, so it could be a severe wound, a severe heat. It could be a severe accident, um, a severe headache. Okay, anything like that. So severe means, in my mind, means like very intense. Okay, let's see what they give us. Very harsh. Okay, so let's use that, the word very harsh. I like that. A very harsh headache. A very harsh accident. Okay, that's severe. A very harsh or a very severe drought. A very harsh drought. What is one type of severe weather you have experienced? One type of severe weather I have experienced is a tornado. Okay, I wasn't actually right in it, but I remember the sirens going off. It was when I lived in the Midwest. Sirens going off. People went to their storm cellars. I never actually even saw the tornado, but it was kind of a scary feeling, scary feel. In the town that I lived in at that time, previously, like a few years earlier, there had been a big tornado come through and do some damage. So, okay, the next word, occur, means to take place, maybe, to happen. Okay, so use that one. To happen is to occur. When do most of your conversations with friends occur or happen? When do most of your conversations with friends happen? Most conversations with friends occur during lunch, on the bus. Okay, it could be a lot of different things. Okay, so that's what you're going to focus on. These two vocab words, severe and occur. Okay, now we're looking at decade of drought. So U.S. Southwest, which is California, right? LA area. Okay. Beginning in the early 2000s, severe or harsh water shortages affected millions of people in many regions of the world. Here's a look at some of the most hard-hit areas. The U.S. Southwest. Okay, so this shows a fire. Destructive wildfires are common during droughts in the Southwest. Shown here in 2012, a huge fire raged in New Mexico. Okay. In 2014, record-setting droughts occurred throughout the U.S. Southwest. Scientists say that changes in climate are a major cause of droughts. The climate is affected by cyclical changes in the surface temperatures of the oceans. Warmer ocean temperatures cause an alternating pattern of increased rainfall and extreme heat and drought. During the drought, communities in California, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado passed laws regarding water use. These laws included reducing the number of gallons of water used daily per person, restricting unnecessary water use, and finding and fixing leaks. The drought resulted in shrinking reservoirs and groundwater supplies. Meanwhile, hot, dry conditions increased the threat of destructive wildfires. Okay, so the word cyclical up here means when a series of events is repeated. So cyclical, it's on a cycle, right? Okay, alternating means that it occurs in a repeating pattern, passing back and forth from one state, place, or action to another. Okay, so it alternates. You guys alternate classes throughout the day. You go from my class to the next class to the next class. Okay. Why is this text titled Decade of Drought, do you think? Okay, the text is titled Decade of Drought because it's about a blank. Okay, a drought that lasted what? Okay. All right, how does the map deepen your understanding of the water shortages discussed in the text? How does the map deepen our understanding of the water shortages that are discussed over here? Okay, so the map, it shows us different areas that help us to, so it talks about cyclical, okay, it just shows us where it, where there are major droughts, okay? The answer tells us there were water shortages all over the world. Droughts occurred in the U.S. Southwest, Brazil, Spain, Eastern Africa, and China. Okay, how did the photo of the wildfire on page 92, right here, okay, put it in your mind. How did that deepen your knowledge of the drought in the Southwest? The photo of the wildfire deepened my knowledge of the drought by blank. Okay, by blank. You fill that part in. Okay, we're not going to spend much more time than that today. Yesterday, a lot of our classes were cut short or we didn't get all of our reading and student application in. So let's have today be one of those days that we can kind of get our numbers back up, okay? All right, guys. Keep working hard. Try to take some quizzes, pass some reading quizzes. Keep pushing through your student application, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much.